Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth comparison review about these two AI platforms, which is Sembly and Notion AI. To help you decide which of these AI platform would be a better option for you to use in 2025. So to get started with a quick analysis about this AI platform. So to get started, Sembly in 2025 is built for meetings and productivities, offering a smart AI transcription, marketing summaries, action items, and task tracking. It's especially helpful for remote teams and professionals who attend a frequent meetings and want to focus on conversation instead of note-taking. Sembly integrate with major platforms like Zero, Microsoft Teams, and Google Meet, and automatically turn conversation into a searchable records with key insight and highlight. It very meeting specific and doesn't try to do tools too much outside that scope. So talking about Notion AI, on the other hand, is a more general purpose tools designed to boost productivity across notes, document, or wikis and a database. It adds AI writing summaries, question and answer, and task management right inside your Notion workspace. It's great for teams looking to build organized systems with AI help for ideations and content creations and a daily planning. While it doesn't specialize in meetings like Sembly, it's much more flexible and useful across the different workflow. And here is the overall conclusion about these two platforms. So if you were focused on a smarter meetings and actionable insight from conversation, Sembly is the better choice. But if you want an all-in-one productivity space with a built-in AI for writing, managing tasks, and organizing knowledge, Notion AI wins in this aspect. And that's it. So let me know in the comment section what you think about these two AI platforms and how you think they can help you more better to automate your work. And that's it. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more. Thanks.